about the lavenders and the lavender that gives us the lavender flower?
Lavender, we don't actually have that, but this lavender plants are snake. That normal lavender plants, we have that in our other permanent sites. We don't have that.
Where's your permanent site?
It's after a candle. That one is bigger than this place.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that means we have to.
Bigger and more finer.
We have to make our time to go there. Maybe
all right.
during the dry
You
season.
should.
Yes.
This is
Wandering
juice.
juice.
They call it word juice because it's wonders around.
Wanders around.
It's great.
Okay.
It's a very fine plant.
Wow.
It can hang it on top of maybe a very tree. It just starts great.